Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can ignore calls without blocking from some users. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get down to our topic. So, the first way. To do this, you will need to go to the phone settings. Further scroll down until you find the phone settings. Now scroll down a little bit more, and you'll find a feature at the bottom called Mute Unknown Callers. And all you have to do is activate it. So, some unknown subscribers, people who are not subscribed, who are unknown to you, some spam and so on, they will not be able to call you. That is, they will have a call, but you will not have a call. Only you will receive a notification that some number called you. And if you want, you can call back to this number. And the second option, you'll have to go back to the settings as well. Thanks to this method that I'm going to show you now, you will be able to enable the function to ignore calls from certain users. So, to do this in the settings, go to Focus. And here you'll see a different list of mods that are already done, that you have, for example, automatic on your iPhone, or that you've created before. And I recommend that you use the mod Don't Bother. This is where you can add people. You can add people that you would like to receive calls at that time when you have Do Not Disturb enabled. To do that, just click on the plus sign. And just select here the users that you would like to receive calls from. And you can also just write the person's name in the search box so that you don't have to search for them if you have a large list of phone numbers. Once you've done that, you click Done. And also at the top, you can choose to enable or not enable notifications during the time that you have this Do Not Disturb mode active. And then you go back. In order to activate this mode, you swipe from the right side from the top to the bottom of the screen. This way you go to the Widgets menu. Then you press Focus. Then you select Do Not Disturb. Also, if you tap on the three dots, you can choose for how long you would like to activate this Do Not Disturb mode for 1 hour, or for example for a day, or do not turn it off until you turn it off. So, once you have chosen how long you would like to activate the Do Not Disturb mode, you can go out. This mode will be activated and no users will not be able to call you, except for those favorites that you have previously configured and selected that these people will be able to call you. Friends, this is how you will be able to ignore calls without blocking any users. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you soon.